Hi, today we learn how to manage time and date.
Current date can be entered by using today functions. Let's see how it works. Is equal to today, bracket open, bracket close, and that's it. Now in case we need to enter current date and current time simultaneously, let's do it. Is equal to now, bracket open, bracket close, and here we go. In case we need to enter only time, there is a specific functions for this, and that is called text function. We need to combine text function along with now functions and enter time format. Let's see how it works. Is equal to text, bracket open, now, bracket open, bracket close, comma, and now HH, that is stands for hours, and MM, that stands for minutes, and it's done. In time, second can also be added in the similar way, like is equal to text, bracket open, now, bracket open, bracket close, comma, HH, which stands for hours, MM, that stands for minute, and then SS, that stands for seconds, and it's done.
Hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you.